So hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we will solve the problem of find smallest letter greater than the target. That is the beauty of LeetCode, and this is a very easy problem. So this problem basically I can solve with a two approach. First is the brute force, and the second is the binary search. So firstly we learn and we understand what the question says. The question says you are given an array of character letters that is sorted in non-decreasing order. What is the non-decreasing order? And a character target that there are at least two different character in a letter. Return the smallest character in letter that is lexicographically greater than target. If such a character does not exist, return the first character in letter, right? So the problem says like the problem is very simple. Like we have the letter, and this is the non-decreasing order, which means it will be the increasing order, or it will be the, that means equal to and greater than, which means we have to definitely to understand from here to the our array is that means our string is must be the greater than, that means a decreasing order. Small greater matlab small greater, that is the thing, right? So return the smallest character in the letter. So we have to find the smallest lexical co-graphical, that means small letter of the lexical graphical greater than target, which means if we have the target a, which means what is the lexicographical greater than of target. So if we have the a, so what is the lexicographical greater element? It's c. So a greater than is equal to c, so that is the problem, right? So the answer is c. So if we have to if we have to, that means c as a very brute force approach, the very simple. So like we just have to int n is equal to uh, later letters dot size, and then start the loop int I is equal to 0, I greater than is equal to n, and I plus plus, right? And after that we just if our letters of I is greater than, which is like this one is the greater of our target. So in that what we return? So in that we return the letters of I, right? And if not then what we have to return? If does not exist, then return the first letter of letter. So we have to return the first letter of letter. So return the letters of 0, that is the first character. So now we can see it will run or not. Yeah, it will run, and that means it will compile or it will show the tail. No, that is compile. Okay, so now we just solve the in a that means second approach, like a binary search approach. So how can we solve it as a binary search? That is very simple. How to simple? Like we just have to the character of c and f and uh, j, right? There's a three thing, and in this three thing our target is equal to a, right? Now what we can do here, like if we have the a, so we just have to find like uh, firstly we have to in binary search what we can do, find the mid. So mid is equal to what? Mid is equal to left plus right minus left by 2, that is the mid element. Now if you have to find the mid element of this, so what is the mid element of this? F. So our target as a target element is greater than of f or equal to f, so it is less, yeah, so it will greater than of a. So what we can do, we can reduce, that means we have to just do mid minus 1, then we just have to go here and check this will be the greater than or equal to, yeah, less, this is the that means greater than, lexicographic greater than, so it will return this. Got it? Now I will write the code, right? Like int n is equal to letters dot size, and then int l is equal to 0, and int r is equal to n minus 1 and int mid is equal to int mid, like, and then we have to just int position, right, is equal to, firstly we inside the minus 1, like, we don't have anything. So in that, while l greater than is equal to r, and then like find the mid, so mid is equal to l plus r minus l divided by 2, right, that is the, now if sorry, now if letters of mid is equal to target, right, if our letter of mid greater than is equal to target, then position is equal to mid and r is equal to mid minus 1, right, and then else else l is equal to mid plus 1, and at the end, if position is equal to minus 1, which means we have didn't do anywhere and we didn't find any of the smallest element, so return the first element, letter of letters of 0, got it, and otherwise, right, and then we just have to return the letters of position, got it, yeah. So uh, letters, I think it will correct. Now see it will run or not. Yes, it will run, and now just submit, it will submit successfully or not. Yes, it will submit successfully, yeah. So that is the, that means I just solved the problem in a two approach. You just see and just suggest me how it is, are you got it, and you got it my point or not. If not, then suggest me how can I explain, then you are understand in the very brief and a very easy way. So thank you for your support, and please subscribe and like my channel. Thank you.